Hello friends, this is Nitesh and welcome to my channel Code Heaven. Today we are going to learn about do while loop. As we already discussed about the for loop and the while loop, so do while loop is also a similar loop to them. So in this video we'll see how to implement it and what is do while loop. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Let us see the syntax first. In the do, we will write the statements which we want to iterate, and then we will write the while and write the condition here, semicolon at the end. So this is the syntax of do while loop. So let's implement it. Then I'll tell you what do while loop do. So hash include unit.h. We'll make a very simple program. Let's include studio.h int main. Then we will take an integer I is equal to 0, and then what we'll do, we'll write the do and printf statement like code heaven, and then we will plus the I plus plus means I is equal to I plus 1. This I plus plus means then while, and the while will put the condition I is less than 10. It means while I is less than 10, it will iterate this statement. So every time I'll increment by 1, so it will print 10 times code heaven. Let me write the slash in at the end also. So return nothing. There is no need to return anything in this program. So it's done almost. Let's save it and build and run this. Wait for a second and it's run. So it is printing code 10 times I think. But the thing is, there's one more thing in do while loop I want to tell you is that the do block, this thing, this thing, this thing, this do block will execute first. After that, it will check the condition. Like flow comes to the do body first, it will execute this statement and then check the condition that I is less than, is still I is less than 10. If yes, then it will execute this again, and then it will check, then it will execute the statement again, then it will also again check I is less than 10 or not. So this is how do while loop works. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and please do like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you so much.